Assam is the prestige and pure land of Northeast. From the lush green tea gardens to toys made of bamboo and cane. From the famous land of Kaziranga. Assam is awesome. Rajasthan is one of the most colorful states in India. It is famous for its vibrant and diverse culture, dances, customs, and music. From blue pottery to bandhani, from Ghumar to Ghevar, it is splendid and unique. India is a very diverse country. Different regions of India have different cultural attributes. These cultural attributes are largely shaped by the geography of any region. Assam is very different from Rajasthan as far as geographical conditions are concerned. Assam is the land of Brahmaputra and is very fertile, whereas Rajasthan is the land of desert and is arid and barren. Let us explore and see how their geography has played an important role in shaping these attributes. According to scholars, the Bihu dance has its origin in ancient fertility cults. The first official endorsement is cited to be when Ahom king Rudra Singh invited Bihu dancers to perform at the Ranghar fields around 1694 on the occasion of Rongali Bihu. Bihu is Assam's most colorful festival. The day is celebrated as Assamese New Year on 14th April every year. It marks the time of harvest in Assam and holds a great significance for the farmers. The word Bihu is taken from the Sanskrit word Bishu, meaning to ask blessings and prosperity from the gods during the harvesting season. It's a joyful dance which is performed by the young men and women during the daytime and open. Brisk dance steps and rapid hand movement are the two chief characteristics of the dance. Drums and pipes are played during the performance as the performers dressed in dhoti, gamcha, chadar and mikhla sing of love during the act. Considered by UNESCO as intangible heritage, Kalbelia is performed by the women of the Kalbelia tribe. Women deck up in traditional costume which is angaraki, odhini and a black swirling ghagra and dance sensuously to the music played by the men using traditional instruments such as dholak, khanjari and pungi. The dance movements are mostly serpent-like, hence it is also referred as snake charmer dance or sapera dance. Bihu is the celebration of harvest, whereas Kalbelia is the celebration of life.